Right there is a remote, and in order to replace the battery for it, notice at the bottom side of the remote there is that slider button. Where you see logo, behind the logo there is that cover that we are supposed to take out. We'll need to press and hold that slider like that, and you notice this cover comes out by itself just like that. Once this cover is taken apart, now where you notice this button was, on the opposite side there's one more cover that needs to be pulled out. I will be using a screwdriver like this, and notice there are two spots, one right here and the other one right there. We will try punching in the screwdriver to pull that cover outwards. There it is. Once that cover is taken apart, we'll keep that cover aside for now. Now we'll be taking out the cover that has that logo right there. I will be taking it out by punching in the screwdriver in that slot right there. So carefully punch in the screwdriver there and then pull that cover outwards. There you would notice it's taken apart, and we'll just pull it out like that. There's the other cover also taken out. Once that cover is taken out, there you would notice the position for the battery itself. We'll have to punch in the screwdriver again to pull that cover out. There you would see that cover flying out. And right there is our battery. To pull out the battery again, we will punch in the screwdriver in that slot right there and gently pull the battery out. There it is, and that is how the battery is taken out for this remote. And notice it is a CR2032 type battery. In my case, the battery is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, just make sure the plus sign on the battery stays at the top. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the battery inside the remote. Make sure you slide in the battery first like that, and then punch in the battery down. There it is, the battery is completely in. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this other cover right there. Just make sure to punch it on top like that and then press it down from left and right. Cover is completely in and it looks good from all over the corners. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the cover that has the logo behind. Notice there is a plastic piece coming out from this part. That plastic piece is supposed to go in that hole right there, so there's only one spot for that. So we'll go ahead and punch in the cover just like that. Once in position, then we will just press the cover down until it completely goes in. There it is, the cover with the logo seems completely in position. Now we'll just go ahead and punch in the top cover. The cover has these two tabs right there, and they are supposed to go into these two holes right there. We'll carefully punch in the top cover, keeping in mind those two tabs. Once the cover is in, then we will just press it down. That cover is also in. Now it's the time to punch in the final cover. Notice one side of the cover has this kind of W shaped from one end, and from the other end, notice there is no W shape, it's just a flat cover. The W shape, which is right there, is supposed to go towards the side where we just punched in right now. So we'll carefully go ahead and punch in the cover like this and then just slide it downwards. There it is, that final cover is also completely in. One more time we'll make sure it is in from all over the edges, and it seems like it is completely in. With that, we are done with the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.